Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix the problem of can't be displayed on Telegram app. You should just follow me step by step. In the first we will go to settings here. Then in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about the application of Telegram and you will enter. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you will return and you will go to permissions like this. And here in this page you will check if all these permissions allowed like this. For example, music and audio, notifications, photos and videos. Contacts also, here you can click allow on contacts permissions. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Telegram here as you see. Then in this page you will click in this sign if you find here update to update your app, and if it's not working with you, then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. And thank you for your watching and your attention. That's all, and that's all the solution about how to fix the problem of can't be displayed on the application of Telegram. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you next time in another video.